Let's talk about screwdrivers. They're one of the most basic tools in your toolbox, but choosing the right one is crucial for getting the job done right. Today, we'll cover the key differences between screwdrivers and what their basic differences are. First, the two most common types of screwdrivers are Phillips and flathead. The Phillips screwdriver has a cross-shaped tip and fits screws with a matching cross recess. It's designed to provide better grip and prevent slipping, especially when working with higher torque. Phillips screwdrivers are used for most general-purpose screws, like assembling furniture. Phillips screwdrivers also come in different sizes, like number 1 and number 2 or number 3. To match the screw head and choosing the right size ensures the best fit and prevents stripping. The flathead screwdriver, also called a slotted screwdriver, has a single flat blade. It's used with screws that have a simple straight slot. Flathead screws are common in older hardware, electrical work, and applications where a more flush finish is needed. Just like Phillips, flathead screwdrivers come in different widths and blade thicknesses. Match the blade to the slot size to avoid having the screwdriver from slipping or stripping out the slot on the screw. Now, let's talk specialty screwdrivers. A Torx screwdriver has sort of a star-shaped tip and is used for Torx screws, which are common in electronics, automotive work, higher torque situations, and anything requiring precision. These also come in various sizes such as T10, T15, or T25, and a snug fit is key to avoid stripping the screw's Torx recess. For tiny screws, like those in glasses or electronics, you'll need a precision screwdriver set. These include various sizes and tips, like Phillips, flathead, and Torx, designed for delicate work and are much smaller in size to match the tiny recesses in those tiny screws that are used in those types of components. Finally, there are multi-bit screwdrivers. These are great for saving space, as they let you swap out different tips with one handle. They're a solid choice for quick fixes around the house and are probably the most versatile screwdriver out there. Make sure you always match your screwdriver to the screw type and size. The wrong tool can strip the screw, damage your screwdriver, or damage your workpiece. With the right screwdriver, you'll have a secure fit, better control, and will make the job go way smoother. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.